After paddleboarding for years with my 3 boys, I've spent hundreds of dollars on unnecessary gear. Follow along in this video and I'm going to show you the essential gear you actually need. Whether you're a new paddleboarder or a seasoned pro, I promise there'll be something for everybody in this list. These are the accessories I bring every single time I hit the water. Some of the gear is as little as $10, but everything on this list is absolutely essential. Come and check it out. Let's go.
But stay tuned to the very end of the video where I'm going to show you a bonus item I've never seen in another paddleboarding video that's absolutely essential. And the good news is it only costs a few dollars.
The number one most essential gear anytime you go paddleboarding is a life jacket, particularly one that fits you well and that you enjoy wearing. I like this jacket. I've had it for about 5 years, worn it for hundreds of paddles, and it still looks as new as the day that I got it. If you have a local sporting goods store, go there, check out all the different racks and sizing options, and make sure you get one that fits you and that you actually enjoy wearing. If you have a jacket that fits you and you enjoy wearing, you're going to be much more likely to wear it for long paddles out on the water. Next up on our gear list is an ankle leash. This is a step I see a lot of beginners skipping because they think it doesn't look cool or they don't understand its purpose. This ankle leash is probably as likely to save your life out on the water as your life jacket is. The purpose of this is if you fall off your board in the water and there's a breeze or current or waves or anything else that may take your board away, and your board will move a lot faster in the water than you can swim, and then you're stuck out in the middle of the lake without a board. So having this ankle leash will keep the board right next to you. You're not married to the leash that comes with your board. The leash that came with this board was short and very uncomfortable on my ankle. I went to the local sporting goods store and they had this awesome leash that's extremely long and much more comfortable on my ankle. Next piece of essential gear out on the water, a safety whistle. I typically go out paddleboarding by myself. If I end up in a situation in the water where I lose my board, the board's inflating, or some other emergency situation, blowing into this whistle alerts everyone nearby of an emergency. Hopefully someone will come and rescue me. Next piece of gear that's essential when you're out on the water is a dry bag or something to protect your smartphone. But this bag also has a floating substance in it, so if I do drop my phone in the lake, it'll float. If you attach a carabiner clip on it like this, you can attach it to your board. And most dry bags nowadays allow you to use the buttons and even take pictures on them. I would show you with my phone, but it's recording me right now. Next piece of essential gear is going to be a dry bag. This can hold anything from clothes that you don't want to get wet to use after paddling, or maybe even lunch, snacks, water bottles, other things like that. Don't take your keys with you out on the water, not even in the dry bag. Find a tree or somewhere else and hang them there so you know they're safe on shore. The last thing you want to do is get back from a day of paddling, find out your keys either fell in the lake or your dry bag got filled with water and your keys now don't work. Trust me, hang them in a tree, you can thank me later. I like to keep a little bit of air inside these bags, so then if it falls in the lake, it'll float and we'll be able to go find it. These are the 5 essentials I would never hit the lake and paddle without: life jacket, whistle, ankle leash, phone bag, dry bag. Now that we've covered our core essential gear for paddleboarding, let's talk about some things that are optional, but I typically will bring with me. One of them is a bottle of water. You may have an intention where you plan to be out on the water for an hour or 2, and then you get stuck out there, or maybe end up in a place you didn't plan on being. You'll always want to have at least a liter of water with you at any time. A waterproof, sandproof speaker can be invaluable for any time you're out paddling, just trying to make it more fun. Remember, at the end of the day, paddleboarding is supposed to be fun. Next on our list of essential gear is some sunscreen, particularly Sunscreen Chapstick. This brand is from Duke Cannon. I tend to get sunburn right underneath here when I'm paddleboarding. Even if I'm wearing my hat forward, it still will reflect off the water and typically cause some sunburn underneath my cheeks here. Next essential item that's essential for me, but maybe not for you depending on where you're paddling, are some water shoes. Everywhere around me that I paddle has rocky beaches, so I like to have these on my feet. Additionally, whenever I go somewhere that's sandy or I don't know the terrain, I like to wear water shoes like Tevas or something else, just so if I fall off the board and into the water, I'm a little bit more comfortable. Another piece of gear you won't see me paddling without are Sunglass Leash. I have sensitive eyes, so I always have to wear sunglasses whenever I'm out on the water. I always attach this leash on there. $5 item that may save a few $100s worth of sunglasses.
Next up, the bonus item I promised you before. These are the Night Eyes S-Biner number 4 Carabiners in a non-locking and locking fashion. These items have been listed with almost every single essential item I've previously mentioned, and the benefit of these are they help keep things attached to the board. Anything that's valuable or I really want to have extra insurance, I'll use the locking carabiners like I'm showing you here with my speaker.
Best part about this system is everything is either attached to the board or attached to my life jacket. That way, if I fall in or the board flips over, I'm not gonna lose anything. Everything's attached and has its place. I'm Brad, and this has been Dad Ops. What gear is essential to you? Did I forget something? Please drop it in a comment below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel. I'm Brad, and this is Dad Ops. Now go get it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.